Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about partial fractions. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over 4x plus 1 b over 3x plus 1 c over 4x plus 5. Now we can do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about 3x plus 1 and 4x plus 5. So capital 8 multiplied by 3x plus 1, 4x plus 5. This one, it is missing about 4x plus 1 and 4x plus 5. So capital B multiplied by this one. Similar for C. Now we need to expand this one, and we have like this. And this one. And this one. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of S. About S squared, we have 12a, 16b, and 12c. About S, that is about 19a, 24b, and 7c. About the numbers, we have 5a, 5b, 1c. And now we need to compare coefficients. We have 184s squared. That means this one equals to 184. This one equals to 226. And this one equals to 50. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So 8 equals to number 5, C, B equals to number 4, C equals to number 5. So I will put A, B, C gone here. So 8 equals to number 5, B equals to number 4, C equals to number 5. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.